Do you remember when they had the depot up here at, near the bridge? When they had the supply depot up here near the bridge? At some time back, there used to be a depot out there for supplying the some lumber company that was working up from the bridge. And there was another one at the Mud Lake Farm.
Yeah. No.
Any fish in the river in those days when you were?
Hey?
Was there any fish in the river in those days when you were?
Oh
grad?
Yeah. Oh, these mudcats and burbot.
Yeah.
Eel. No, you know you don't catch an eel now.
There was a lot of them in those days.
Then there was a little wee white fish like a heron pretty near about that long. White size, it was thin. Then there was another little round fish about that size for a long time. Because they called it chub anyway, I don't know what the hell it was. But the pike, I put them in Melted Lake.
Did you?
Isidore King brought them into Round Lake. Charlie Strong put them way back in Aird's Lake.
In Aird's Lake, right?
Pike. And old Red Corn come and brought them way down there someplace. I don't know where he would put them in the pike. He used to come after them. There's two little puddle holes over there. When the water got low, they'd go and brush and there was a furrow over that way. They'd all rush into the other side. So then I'd put shingles there and I could catch as much as I like. Yeah. They'd come after them.
That was a northern pike too.
Yeah.
Good pike.
No, Alfred Legree sent up his trunk after some couple of times. Charlie Strong come after them 2 or 3 times.
Yeah.
Put them
And Charlie Strong put them in Aird's Lake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I put in 50 in Melted Lake.
Yeah.
I guess there's 50 there yet, I guess.
You
can there's some damn big ones if you can catch them.
Yeah.
Well, one of that fellow, Floyd's brother-in-law, I guess, he said he got one that day. A good line too.
Isidore King put them in Round Lake the same time. Because they can put 2 shingles like that across that there and it'll put it hole. Then you go and chase all the rush there. Then you put a hole there and you get them screens, and you just catch them up. They were about that long.
I don't know if you're getting any shooting
And then,
this spring now.
when the water fell, they had it way down,
That's where they ought to kill all the pike off.
just about way below that old place of George's, where the water went out.
Yes.
You see, they'd stay here too long and they couldn't get out.
Get trapped in there then.
Yeah.